Yeah, can you start just tell me your name?
Matthew Perry.
How old's your bike you got here, Matthew?
Well, I got it in March.
Okay.
But I think it was built probably in 2013, around that time.
Where's your favorite place to go out on the bike?
Oh, the B&A Trail, the Baltimore-Annapolis Bike Trail. I commute to work every day on it. The thing I like best about it is I used to have an organic transit Elf. Two things I like better is it doesn't break down as much as the Elf did.
I gotcha.
So also, if I'm going along and I'm on the shoulder, I'm cruising along at 15 or so miles per hour, and then the shoulder ends and I'm actually in traffic, it's nice to have that extra speed to quickly get to an area up ahead that has a shoulder. That I found is the biggest advantage over something that electric bike that maybe would only go 15 or 20 miles an hour.
Right.
And when I first got it, my wife saw me riding it and she said, "You're kind of low, it's hard to see." So I got I recommend everybody getting a glow whip. It moves around, plus it's lit up. Even on a sunny day, people can see.
Yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, I love my Alpha. So.
Thank you, Matthew.
All right, sure.
Appreciate it. Yeah, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for interviewing with me.